Hi guys, this is Mr. Baragon. So today we're going to be looking at the next problem in this section 521. How can I undo an exponential function? Now, the last assignment we worked on 5-56, and you can look back at those videos. It was a little bit of a longer problem. Now, the reason I'm mentioning this is because we're going to use the result from this problem to go on to 5-57. Okay. So here's the actual problem we're going to look at. You guys, if you guys have your notebooks, you guys can use the same page that you guys are working on or create a new one. Remember, let's use same section and let's take a look at this problem. It says an ancient puzzle. Parts A through F below are similar to a puzzle that is more than 2,100 years old. Mathematicians first created the puzzle in ancient India in the 2nd century BC. More recently, about 700 years ago, the Muslim mathematicians created the first tables allowing them to find answers to this type of puzzle quickly. Tables similar to them appeared in school math books until recently. Okay, so let's take a look at the puzzle. What do they mean by a puzzle? So let's go through this and then I will give you guys some clues that hopefully will help you solve this. Okay. Here are some clues to help you figure out how the puzzle works. So look at what it says. It says log of 2, 8 equals equals 3. And let me repeat that again. Actually, it's log base 2 of 8 equals 3. So what do they mean by this word log, right? We haven't seen this before. Well, let's take a look at this. So it's the log of 2, log base 2 of 8 equals 3. Okay, what do they mean by this? Log base 3, when I say base is the small number down there, of 27 is 3. Okay, let's take a look at those one down here. Log base 5 of 25 equals 2. Log base of 100, log base 10 of 10,000 equals 4. Okay, what do they mean by this, right? Now, what's the puzzle? I mean, what's the pattern we're seeing here? Now, let me scroll up a little bit. Here we go. Now, these clues are supposed to help you figure out A through F. So this could be a little bit of a challenge. Okay, what must be happening? Well, I'm going to go back to the problem that we were doing in the last lesson that we did. And remember, we were doing the exponential function. And those of you guys that haven't done that problem, I really recommend, and you should actually do the first problem first before we start this one. So back in 5-56, we had this function. This is the exponential function, right? F of x is equal to the 2 to the x power. That's this purple line that we have right here. And then here I found some points, and here they are, right? And that gives me the exponential function is going up in this case, okay? Now, if you guys are looking at this table, remember I want to find the inverse. What is the inverse? Well, the function is y equals 2 to the x power. It goes this way. These purple points are points just in the exponential function, okay? And what are these other points down here? And here's where you guys got to review what we had done. Now, look at the table first. So I might have to erase this real quick just because it might be a little hard to see. Let me erase this. Okay. So look at this table. Now look at the table that we have above and look at the table we have below here. How are these related? And this is what you guys have to think back to what we were doing in the last problem, okay? What were we doing? How is that table related to this table, okay?